What is going on, YouTube? Welcome back to another YouTube video. Had a pretty good day, made about $210 on the day, and it was nice and easy. Just followed the trend today, no break and retest, that strategy, and I added to my position as it was going in the upward direction. It was very clear movement, and I was like, you know what, it's a good idea to capitalize on that. So we're just gonna go ahead and get started and show you guys what I did do. And let me drag over my chart so you can take a look. Change the screen chart, and we're gonna jump right into it because I want to make these videos nice and short and sweet, just so you guys can learn what you're looking for and go trade on your own. Alrighty, so the first thing is these are the lines that I had drawn in the pre-market. There was resistance around this area. Price went up, came back down, so that's the resistance. Here's the support. I have a box here. This box came from, I believe, the 15-minute chart. When the price came inside here, it went back all the way up like yesterday. So this push up is what I was expecting. So you can say that there's a good demand zone right over here. Okay, so I took this red candle, drew a box, and I was expecting it to do the same exact thing today. And look, which it did. It came back to the box and pushed all the way up. That was a beautiful thing that happened, and the box really worked well. Going to 2-minute chart here, I drew a small box in case it would come back down here. It would go up. So these are the couple of things that I had drawn on my pre-market stuff. And basically what I did was, after I saw some movement, it came back down and it started bouncing up from this box. It's safe to say that we were in the uptrend. Went ahead and draw the uptrend line, and I was adding calls to my position every time there was a red candle. So red candle here. I added calls here, and here. And then on this candle, because it was a huge green candle, I kept adding to my position on this candle too. I saw again, anything after $100, I just stop on the day. Could I have made more? Yeah, sure, I could have made more, a lot of money. Like for instance, this spot right here, when you draw the trend line, there's a couple things you can do. You can play the break of the trend line too. Again, you want to make sure the trend line touches at least 3 points, and in this case it touched 1, 2, and then this is the third point of the break. Okay, so I guess you can call it 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5 was the break. So that's something that you can do, but in this case, my play was the bounce on the 15-minute chart from yesterday low, and it bounced. I went into calls, and I capitalize on that play. On SPY, if you do draw a trend line, you want to be certain that the trend line has been broken. A lot of times the trend line breaks and it's not an actual break of the trend, so that's where a little bit of confusion is. I try not to play trend line breaks because, if you have made up your target on the day, just stop trading on the day. You don't have to keep trading. And we want to keep it simple, right? We want to keep SPY simple. We want to make consistent money every day. We want to see what the charts are doing every single day. So the first thing is, again, like I talk about in my every video, first thing is you follow the trend of the day. You create your boxes, your trend line, your support, and your resistance, and you take into account where is this stock moving. You let the stock breathe a little earlier in the day. Don't go right in the morning to see what positions it's holding. In this case, it was going up, so I was like, you know what, calls is the move on the day, so I'm gonna stay away from puts. My put scenario, let me just show you what my put scenario would have been. If we were down here, if we came down here, it would have went down, and then this would have been an area that I could have said that, okay, this might be the put scenario that we can be looking for. Okay, this is our, but calls was the move today. Even until now, the break of the trend, you might want to go into puts, but you have to be careful once it comes around 455.48. When it comes around 454.79. So calls was the move in the day. But again, mid-man 200. I'm done for the day. And yeah, that was my trading day. I'm gonna keep this video short and simple. Hope you guys have an amazing day. I will see you guys in the next one. Have a great day. Have a great week. Until tomorrow. See ya. Bye bye.